The Spanish phrase for today's video is throw a party. Organizar una fiesta. Before we continue, yes, organizar means to organize, so technically the phrase means to organize a party. It is also commonly said to dar una fiesta or da una fiesta, which means to give a party. They all pretty much mean the same thing. Really depends on who you're talking to, where they're from, what they're going to use. I don't really do much partying myself, so I don't really say these very often, but organizar una fiesta is what I would use if I were to say this phrase. This is a three-word phrase. Organizar una fiesta, meaning throw a party. Again, the phrase is organizar una fiesta, throw a party. If you learned anything today, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And as always, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.